Happy Halloween, beauty queens. This is going to be a very special video. We're going to show you guys how Seven created this amazing Bambi look. Right here, I'm just laying my frontal down. This is a custom unit that I made. The tracks are glued in the back and the frontal is glued down in the front. I'm using my same 3 layers of adhesive that I always do. I'm going to throw this bad boy on, and then Seven is going to take over so he can show you how he created this amazing look.
Jumping right in, I'm using my black opal cream stick foundation palette in the shades Cool Nude and topping Cool Nude with a little bit of Heavenly Honey to warm up the place a bit. So we're keeping the light shade only in the T-zone area because this is what's going to help us give the effect that we want. And of course we must blend. Blending is the key to every makeup look. So we blend. And now it's time we add some dimension using my same foundation palette. This time I'm using a little bit of Nutmeg, mixing it with a little bit of hazelnut to give the place some warmth, of course, and to bring some dimension back into the face. Because of course a deer has structure to its face, so we want as much structure as possible. So I took a clean sponge to blend this in because I didn't want to transfer any of the lighter color, and I just wanted it to be as seamless as possible. Can't you just see it coming together? I'm so excited. So, okay, I took a little bit more of Heavenly Honey and I created a line underneath her cheekbone to give it some more dimension. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, as you can see, and I'm going to blend all of that in. It is time to set this look. So I don't really do this when I'm doing a regular look, but I think it's important to set when you're doing a Halloween look, just in case your friend or client wants to wear this all night long. I felt the urge to define this contour some more, so I went ahead and used my Cozzette Infinite Contour Palette in shades Trust and Dignified to give it some more definition. So I'm going ahead and I'm blending the contour up into the brow and around and above the crease of the eye because we want the look to be more exaggerated, of course. It's a deer. Let's get these eyes a little more doughy using my Kryolan watercolor palette in the color white and a Cozzette S305 brush. Using the eye as a guide, I'm sort of making an upside down wing in white. Okay, so here's where it got tricky for me. I wanted to exaggerate the eye a bit more to make it look bigger, so I added some white in the fold of her eye. That did the trick for me. Ooh, see, doesn't it look just a little bit more animalistic? Ew. but it looks a little messy too. But I'll show you guys how to clean that up in a bit. So I wanted to add some more angles to the eye, so I took a black pencil first and I traced out a wing line, and then I went over it again to make it more defined with Danessa Myricks waterproof cushion color in black. Yo, I am concentrating so hard on these wings. Okay, so I have to do the same thing under the eye. Creating some more angles, following the white that we did earlier, using the same product. Boom. I could not do this look without finding a way to add some highlight, and that is the way I cleaned up that white. So, you guys take a look and see, I used the highlight to clean up the white line, just to make it sharper. I'm making this classic love with you. Baby, just take my hand and follow me. We got this in this love and we won't let go. I'm so out of body, my heart it skips a beat when you're here with me. Dancing on the stars, we ain't got nothing to lose. We've got love. Welcome back to love. Welcome back to love. Classic love. When we used to make love. We want that old time love back. Yeah, classic love. To create that little deer nose, I used the cushion liner and a small eyeliner brush, and I created like an M shape. And then I filled it in. We already covered the bottom lip with the same foundation that we used earlier, and we're going to define the top lip only using a black pencil, and then we're going to fill it in. Oh yeah, and you have to draw that little line that connects the nose to the lip. It's kind of important. So we're going to go ahead and define the brows some more. I'm going to take the foundation and a small eyeliner brush again, and I'm just going to do little strokes just to make it look more like fur instead of a sharp line brow. You know? Details, honey, details. And more on detail. This detail is extremely important. The little dots, the little furry dots that are around the deer's face. This is what's gonna give it all of the animal-like tendencies, whatever I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I mean. What deer is complete without a lash? None. A major lash. So this lash is brought to you by Danessa Myricks Elevation Lashes, and I will find the style enlisted in the description below. Ooh, y'all look, I done created Bambi. Make sure you follow the model and hairstylist in this video, BeautiiByDay. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Before we go, do not forget to add both of us on Instagram. You can add Seven at SevenKnows, and you can add BeautiiByDay at BeautiiByDay. This video is also available on Seven's channel, as well as some other amazing videos from him. So you guys can check that out, and I will see you guys next time.